Welcome to our motherboard showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the MSI B550-A PRO and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. These two motherboards represent the evolution of AMD's desktop platform, with the B550 catering to the established AM4 ecosystem, and the B650 paving the way for the future with AM5 support. We'll explore their features, performance, and what sets them apart to help you make an informed decision for your next build. Let's get started. The MSI B550-A PRO supports AMD's Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors, making it an excellent choice for users looking to build a reliable system without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is designed for the latest Ryzen 7000 series and beyond, ensuring that you have access to the latest technology and performance enhancements. This difference in CPU compatibility is crucial for users planning their builds, especially considering the longevity of their investment. When it comes to memory, the MSI B550-A PRO utilizes DDR4 technology, which is widely available and cost-effective, supporting speeds up to 4,400 MHz. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX embraces DDR5 memory, allowing for faster speeds and improved performance, but at a higher cost. This transition to DDR5 represents a significant leap in memory technology, making the B650 a more future-proof option for high-performance builds. Connectivity is another area where these motherboards differ significantly. The MSI B550-A PRO comes with standard gigabit Ethernet, which is sufficient for most users. However, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX steps it up with 2.5 GB LAN and integrated Wi-Fi 6E, providing faster networking capabilities and better wireless performance. This makes the B650 a superior choice for gamers and content creators who require high-speed internet access. In conclusion, the MSI B550-A PRO offers excellent value for users looking to build a stable and cost-effective system with proven technology. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is tailored for those seeking the latest advancements in CPU and memory technology, making it a more future-proof investment. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.